All right, guys, we are very excited to present to you today Kelly's hair.
Yo, what's up?
This is a box that came on trucks. Look at that. So, oh wow, I just threw my back out. They actually use their own Kryptonics trucks and sent this. Oh wow, the trucks clearly broke off that one.
Oh, fatty!
Here, let's just give this a roll.
No.
Oh yeah.
This is the actual skateboard. There's just a big piece of wood inside.
No.
Dude, I'm so confused.
Wait, whoa!
Hi, Braille. You guys inspired me to build these motorcycle seat skateboards.
What?
I live off-grid in SoCal mountains and have now turned my deck into a skate park. Skating is a little trickier than I thought, so I purchased Skateboarding Made Simple, volume 1 to 7 at brailleskateboarding.com. Thank you. Please subscribe to Johnny Creation YouTube channel and watch these events unfold. Thanks and enjoy. Johnny Creation. Wow. Oh, damaged goods hat.
Whoa.
That's mine.
This is motorcycle seat skateboard.
What? This is the most creative box you ever got?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like you're going incredibly fast and then all of a sudden you're going nowhere.
The most comfortable skateboard I've ever tried.
Wow.
Let me hop on that ish.
Ready? That was actually pretty good.
All right, Carlos, you're up at the Primo stall.
I'll try it.
Oh, wow.
How do we open this?
Whoa.
4 boards, 4 people, game of skate. Loser has to ride a motorcycle off a cliff. SK8 on flat, SK8 full park. Winner takes all, loser loses everything. Literally everything. Whoa. What? You guys, just wait.
Go.
Rebate, it's a rebate.
Yeah, rebate.
Wait, hold on.
Come on.
Get it together,
I'm
people.
the lead.
1, 2, 3.
Sweep.
No,
You were
Betty.
rock.
No, you still have to redo because he had like.
This is hard.
Okay.
Flip motorcycles.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth.
All right, shoves are all I got.
First try.
No! Aaron! Aaron, no! Wow, well done.
Yeah, that wasn't gonna work.
Count it.
I'm gonna count that.
How is this possible to skate?
That's good. That's good.
Min.
Wow.
That was incredible. Like really, he went for the hill flip. Like seriously? First try!
Mine's like a soggy noodle.
They got nothing on me. They got nothing.
Watch, I'll land it with this one.
He'll land it on that one, will he? Sure.
Oh, pastrami! If I mess this up, then I would cry.
Start crying now.
Oh! Kelly!
No!
Oh, it's still skatable.
Oh yeah.
Make it, we motocross it. Coming soon. I think that's good.
Wow.
Wait, we didn't really show the board that much. So on the bottom, there's this piece of metal with the trucks, and then it's screwed into the seat of a motocross bike.
Oh, Link! Oh!
Oh, God. I did not think it was going to overflip.
It's amazing that we can do some real tricks on this.
All right, Kyro, I need this.
Okay, me too. Hey, get this from my gram, please.
Whoa!
It doesn't pop.
You didn't use the tail!
Watch out, bro.
Ow, that hurt.
Oh, now it's not a...
You underflip down.
God.
Wow!
What?
Told you I got it, man.
Yeah. Where are you going? What are you doing?
He's building like a strange hybrid. It's like really trying to cheat over
these
there.
two?
It's something's going on back there.
Yeah, Teddy's out.
I think I'm out too, honestly. I'm waiting for the full park. That's what I'm waiting for.
Dude. I think we should give him a letter for that trick.
I think we should too. Here, get this from my gram, please.
Got it.
Oh, I wanted to just kick my foot through that wall so bad.
Teddy, what in the world? Is that what you've been doing back there?
Yeah.
Will you get this for my gram?
Yes.
Oh!
How's the gram angle?
I mean, it was out of focus, but I don't care.
Finally, we got Carlos a letter. Where were we at on the gram? First try!
That was probably one of your better tray flips.
Ever.
Hey, take it down the Braille drop.
Stanky leg. Is that just a 3 shove?
No! If I can nollie flip, I can switch flip.
I think that counts.
Yeah! Yeah! If I go nollie flip, I'm sure he can nollie flip because he just switch flipped.
Let's try it.
I was thinking tray revert, but I gotta save that for the last.
Click the nollie flip.
No! It almost went on the credit card. Ow! Something in my back just didn't work out right. We had so many tricks, then we're down to the final 2, and all of a sudden we're out of tricks.
Well done. I'm not gonna lie, I did see that coming.
You didn't see that coming, Gabe. You didn't think I had it. You didn't think
I didn't.
Oh, man. You got me.
Full park, first try? Yes.
Yeah,
I'll go
just
first,
not my-
everyone else goes second. First trick, primo stall, head slam. SK8, this is probably gonna last like 93 hours.
I could do that.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah.
I love that they're not ollieing at all. They're just going thunk off.
All right, big boy, you talked a lot of mess about this full
Wow.
part game of skate. You better live up to the hype.
Okay, okay.
Come on!
Slit my wrist, it hurts.
I mean, I'm not a stair skater, but let's see what we got.
More of a 5-stair type guy, you know?
It's gonna be all right, bud.
Oh, I was actually on it. What is with these? Oh, these trucks are...
You're a truck.
He got him on that, he really did.
Do you think I'll slip out like I did on the 3?
No, you just need to go fast. Just go faster. Luke, what are you doing?
I'm out of control.
Why did you let him do that?
Should I try to ride this off the Braille?
Dude, honestly, yeah.
Yeah, just do it later.
I knew I would get someone. Yes, thank you. I would do a kickflip to fakie, frontside 180 to regular, and I would just do a bunch of tricks on the bank, but I'm not gonna cheat like that.
You can't
I'm not
do
gonna
it.
cheat.
No, you
Because
won't.
the people are gonna
Do it
be
then.
like, don't do that.
No.
Don't do that.
You can't kickflip
It's
to
full
fake it.
park.
Kickflip
We gotta
fake it.
use the full park, okay?
You're up? Oh!
That's what happens when your friends are mean to you.
Your life had to have flashed before your eyes right there.
93 times.
You just can't ride down the bank.
Hold on.
Wait, what was that from?
It's the screw in the middle.
Oh, dude. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Careful, it's waxed.
I know.
Yeah, who did that?
First try.
Wow.
Everyone's getting a letter.
I didn't pop.
No, this would be for K.
If you didn't pop,
Oh, trying to cheat. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, we'll give you a rebate.
What Fetty doesn't know is that he ultimately has to live with the decisions he makes in his life.
Someday he'll learn.
what?
How do you do that?
Luke, you got 2 tries.
They're just doing this on purpose, trying to break the stairs.
He just can't figure out how to ride it.
Yeah, here we go.
You get one more try.
Oh, hell yeah! I saw that coming from a mile away.
Here.
They were like, you don't got this, and I was like, watch me take it to the bank. Get it? Money in the bank. See, I like to be supportive of my friends. You got this, Kelly. Bro, it's okay. It's okay. We'll work on it. We'll work on it.
Wow.
How he rolled away from that, I'll never know.
Oh, I thought that was for me.
Aaron, what were you hoping to achieve?
Backside flip. Fetty waxed the ramp. I would have had it if he didn't wax the ramp.
Out of every trick you could have chosen, why would you choose backside flip?
Because I got those good. I got that trick.
Carlos, I swear.
Okay, let's see. Full park, manual pad. Ollie up, right across, right off. Just so you know, I'm not trying to manual. Whoa, whoa! Okay, Fetty, I got you. I got you. This is for my love for you, okay? I was going for it, and then I was like, what are you thinking? You're gonna hit the wax and die like you did the first time. It's his last letter, so he's got one more go. How did he do that?
Aaron, you're so stupid.
If I in fact land this and roll away, it will be the most epic roll away in the history of skateboarding. Ah! I couldn't.
I wanted to go for it, dude.
That was the loudest thing ever.
I think we don't have any echo in here.
That was the greatest thing I've ever done in my entire life.
Oh! And digged?
I didn't think that was possible.
I'll try.
He truly can nose slide everything.
Did I ruin the ledge?
How did he do that?
Wow. It doesn't get more epic than that. That was incredible. Mind
Kyro.
blown. And now, Carlos versus the Braille drop.
On my contraption.
This is Fetty's science experiment, and we're gonna try it down the BH drop.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that if you're not already subscribed, that this video convinced you to subscribe so that you would do that. And that would be fun because you can have more videos with Fetty Potter and Aaron and Gabe Cruz and Carlos if he makes this. In this playlist, there will be tons of other videos. I think this is literally video number 182 of the You Made It and We Skated It series. Thanks to everyone who's sending in their stuff. Leave it in a comment below of what you want to see next. And if you have a board, skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
One shot, one kill, that's all we get. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. I'm done.